In this question, it is given that let x and y be the distinct integers where x lies between 1 and 25, y also lies between 1 and 25, then the number of ways of choosing x and y such that x plus y is divisible by 5 is dash. You have to fill in the blank. You have to find the number of ways of choosing x and y such that x plus y is divisible by 5. To do this question, first understand this concept that any natural number, when it is divided by 5, remainder will be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Remainder cannot be 5. This is clear. That is, in other words, I can say any natural number is in the form of 5n or 5n plus 1 or 5n plus 2 or 5n plus 4. Agreed, it is correct, but when any natural number is supposed in this way, that is a bit difficult than the other way which I am going to tell you. It is clear that the form 5n plus 3 or 5m minus 2 both are same form, because this can be written as 5n plus 1 minus 2. That is, this form and this form are same. Similarly, the form of 5n plus 4 or 5m minus 1 are same form. Therefore, I can say in this way also that every natural number is in the form of 5n or 5n plus 1 or 5n plus 2 or 5n minus 2 or 5n minus 1 form. According to question, we have to find the number of ways of choosing x and y such that x plus y is multiple of 5. Say it is in the form of alpha, and we have to find the number of ways of choosing x and y. It's clear that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 25 can be written in one of these forms. For example, the numbers in the form of 5n are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. The numbers in this form are 1, 6. Note that 1 will be obtained when n is 0. 1, 6, 11, 16, 21. That is these 5. And 5 numbers are of this form, which are 2, 7, 12, 17 and 22. Note that 2 will be obtained when n is 0. And the numbers in this form are 4, 9, 14, 19 and 24, and the numbers of this form are obviously 3, 8, 13, 18 and 23. That is, I can say every category has 5 numbers: 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. And now the question was, we have to find the number of ways in which x and y can be chosen so that x plus y is in the form of 5 alpha, that is multiple of 5. The sum will be of the form 5 alpha either when both x and y belong to this category, or if x is in the form of 5 and plus 1, then y should be in the form of 5n minus 1. Then the sum will be again multiple of 5. If x is in the form of 5n plus 2, then y should be in the form of 5n minus 2. Then again sum will be multiple of 5. And note that when x and y are both of same form, then the number of cases are 5 into 4, not 5 into 5, because it is given that x and y are distinct. That is 20 ways are there. Just for clarity, I'm saying that in 20 ways, the forms are say 5 plus 15, say 10 plus 20, say 15 plus 5. Note that these two cases are different cases. Here x is 5, y is 15. Here x is 15, y is 5. In this way, there are 20 ways in which x and y can be chosen so that their sum is multiple of 5. Or second possibility is x is in the form of 5n plus 1. That is, x can have one of these values. That is, x can be chosen in 5 ways. And y should be of the form 5n minus 1. And again, 5 numbers are there of this form. Y can have the value one of these. That is, y can be chosen in 5 ways. That is 25. In 25 cases, there is no any case in which x and y are equal, because x and y are belonging to two different categories. That is, you have got 20 cases plus 25 cases. And now, when x is of this form, that is, x can have any of these 5 values, and y is of this form also has 5 numbers. That is, I can say here also x can be chosen in 5 ways, y can be chosen in 5 ways. Number of ways in which I can choose x and y will be 5 into 5, that is 25. That is 25 here. Or next is when x is of this form and y is of this form. Therefore, in this case also 5 into 5 ways are there to find x and y. And lastly, when x is of this form and y is of this form, that is again 5 into 5, that is 25 cases are there. That is 25 for this and 25 for this. In total, 120 ways are there of choosing x and y, so that x plus y is multiple of 5 and x and y are distinct also.